What's up, guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete or clear all your privacy activity data in your Microsoft account. Simply go ahead and click your account on the upper right on Microsoft once you sign in, and you can go into your account. And so from here, you want to click in privacy on the left hand side, and this is going to show you all privacy options that you have. So you have location, if you update it, there, it's going to appear. You have browsing, you have apps and services, you have spelling and text activities there and even app access. So you want to go through them. You will see what have some activities and you can delete those. So for example, if I wanted to clear the browsing and search, I click here and scroll down and you have the option. You don't want to delete one by one if you have a lot, but you can simply click and clear all right here. And so you click and clear all and you will have the option now to clear it right here by clicking on this option. Now you want to go through each of them. So scroll down again, and here you have, for example, this is the search. You can do the same, click on clear all, and you can click it again. As you can see, I'll clear this one. And so you can easily do that, guys. And that's pretty much it. You can also turn on it to, let's say, auto clear if you want to by setting clear data every, and you can choose these days that you want to turn it on automatically as well. And so, as I said, just basically go through each of them and you can easily clear your privacy data for those different activities, as you can see. And that's it, guys.